How to cancel Telegram Premium subscription on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to cancel Telegram Premium subscription on Android. Without further ado, let's begin. First, we will launch Google Play Store. Tap Profile icon at top right. Now from this menu, select Payments and Subscriptions option. You will reach on Payment and Subscription page where you need to choose the second option of Subscriptions. So if you have got Telegram Premium on your device, then you can easily view it on this page. So you need to find Telegram Premium and tap on it. You can scroll down and tap Cancel Subscription and choose a reason, then tap Continue, then Cancel Subscription. You will still have access until the end of your billing period. Note that currently I do not have Telegram Premium subscription, so it has not been listed on this section, but if you have, then you can easily follow the step in order to cancel Telegram Premium on Android device. And that's how you can cancel Telegram Premium subscriptions. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.